Welcome to our guide on unlocking rank mode in Valorant. Let's get you started on your competitive journey. First, ensure you've reached account level 20. This is essential for unlocking ranked. Next, play 10 unrated matches. These help you grasp the mechanics in maps. After your 10 matches, check your performance. You'll need to show consistent skill. Finally, once all conditions are met, you'll unlock the rank mode option. Now you're ready to dive into ranked and showcase your skills. Good luck! Remember, teamwork and strategy are key. Communicate with your teammates. Stay calm and focused during matches. Mistakes are part of learning. Keep practicing to improve your aim and gain knowledge. Join online communities for tips and support from fellow players. Enjoy the journey! Ranked Valorant is about having fun and growing. Thanks for watching. Keep gaming and see you in the ranks.